Welcome back, mathematicians, and let's get ready to go over our poster method problem. So I want to remind you that mathematicians can use the solve method to solve word problems by showing and explaining their thinking. So let's go over our solve. So first we need to study the problem. We're going to underline the question, make sure we understand what the problem is asking us to find. O, we're going to organize our facts. We're going to circle all important facts. Then we're going to line up a plan by choosing two different strategies. After, we're going to verify our plan with action with those two different strategies. And then last, we're going to examine our results by asking ourselves, does my answer make sense? Hope you had worked on a goal as you were solving your problem. And remember that you are in charge. Whenever you need to turn and talk to someone at home, you can always pause the video. So let's continue by reading our problem and studying the problem and by underlining the question. So read with me. John and Peter are assembling a model train set. John puts down 10 red cubes for the track. Peter puts down 7 blue and 3 green cubes for the track. What is the total number of red and blue cubes used for the track? So, let's take a minute. Let's study the problem. Let me ask you, what is this problem asking us to find? Remember, you can always pause the video to turn and talk. So it's asking us to find what is the total number of red and blue cubes used for the track. So I underlined that. So they're trying to find the total, the sum of the red and blue cubes. Sum of red and blue cubes. That's important. So let's continue. Organize the facts. So we need to circle all important facts. Let's go back and reread our problem again. John and Peter are assembling a model train set. Do you think that's important in order to solve the problem? Nope, I don't think so. So we're going to draw a line through it because we really don't need that in order to solve the problem. So let's continue organizing our facts. John puts down 10 red cubes for the track. Do you think that's necessary in order to solve the problem? I think it is. So we're going to circle it. Remember, we're going to circle all important facts. And then it says that Peter puts down 7 blue and 3 green cubes for the track. Let me ask you, mathematicians, do you think that information is important in order to solve the problem? Yes, it is. So we're going to circle it. He puts down 7 blue and 3 green cubes for the track. So mathematicians, we have studied a problem by underlining the question, making sure we understand what the question is asking us to find. We have organized our facts by circling all important facts. Now we need to line up a plan. We need to think of two different strategies that we can use in order to solve the problem. So I like to use my manipulatives to show a visual solution to the problem. And then I'm going to use a number sentence for the next one. Let's see, maybe you have used a different strategy, but as long as we get to the same answer, then it's okay. So let me go back and let me read again, right? It says John puts down 10 red cubes for the track. So I need 10 red cubes for the track. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I did this first part. represented with 10 red cubes. And then it says that Peter puts down 7 blue and 3 green cubes. So let me continue with the 7 blue, right? So this is 1, 2. It doesn't have to be in the line. It's a track. So it could go around. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many blue do I need? I need 7. 7. And then it says that he puts 3 green cubes for the track. So I need 3 green ones. 1, 2, 3. So my track looks like this. So now the question is asking us to find what is the total number of red and blue cubes. Okay, red and blue. So they're not asking about the green one, so I don't need that one. I can easily move this from here because they are not asking to find out the number of green cubes. They're asking to find out the number of red and blue. So we have 10 red and 7 blue. 10 plus 7 gives us what? It gives us 17, right? So let me verify my plan with a different action. So I use my manipulatives for the first one. Let me see. So we know that he has, let me use a number sentence for the next one. He has 10 red, right? And then he has 7 blue. And then he puts 3 green, right? Now we have to be really careful here because the problem is only asking us to find the total number of red and blue cubes used for the track. So 10 red, 7 blue, 10 plus 7 equals 2. Did you say 17? You got it. So 17 red and blue cubes were used for the track. So mathematicians, did you see how I studied a problem? By underlining the question and making sure I understand what the problem is asking me to find. I organized my facts by circling all important facts. I line up a plan by using 2 different strategies, choosing 2 different strategies. And then I use those 2 different strategies to verify my plan with the actions. Then I examine my results by asking, does my answer make sense? Yes, it does, because we have 10 red cubes plus 7 blue cubes. It gives us a total of 17 cubes. So make sure that every time you are solving a problem, you are using the solve method. Till next time, mathematicians, good luck and take care.